Face is a very important, aspect of our body. Sometimes I wonder what is the function of face, because you can see with your eyes, you can smell with your nose, you can hear with your ears, you can eat with your mouth. So what exactly is the function of the entire face? Because there must be some function, one function that we can say. So I gave it a lot of thought and I came up with the answer that the function of face is appearance.
I come from Napoli. Uh, I, we Google in internet and we say Max Hospital. We ask about the surgery that they said is a little cheap from Italy. We come and we ask about the famous doctor, Dr. Surini. That is, I don't know if I can call him God, even how he talk, how he make my face, my everything. I'm very, very, very happy.
Facial rejuvenation is an extremely complex field. A lot of people think that it's very simple to do a facelift, it's very simple to do some Botox, some fillers, things like that. But actually, it requires a lot of understanding of the anatomy of the face. It requires a huge amount of complex skills to actually give a perfect result on the face, because the face dynamics are very complex.
Is my first experience and my first idea. Even I live in Italy, I never think about to make my face or something. But when I'm here, I'm very, very, very happy.
The surgeries to reverse the signs of aging, or to actually do everything backwards, is aimed at two things. One, you have to basically take out all the extra skin that is sagging, but that's the easy bit. The important bit is actually to reposition your inside structures, the muscles which are actually connected to your bone. And that is exactly what will give you a long-lasting result in a facelift. So the initial concept of a facelift was basically stretch the skin out, just cut out the extra skin, and you do it in a way where you get a scar all around in the creases so it's not visible. So that's the reason why most of the people who do facelifts, you can't really spot their scars very easily, because they're all lying into natural creases. They're not running in front of your face. But the concept has changed completely now. It's all about repositioning your muscles inside, because the muscles are the ones which are actually, holding the entire face together. So when I do a facelift, the main concentration is actually on repositioning the muscles inside. Once you've done that, the skin just is lying there, the loose skin just lying there. You just trim the skin that is loose and you just actually stitch it all back. Monica, a very charming lady from Napolitano, she walked into my clinic and she wanted to just look good. And very sweet, and she had her own flair, the way she spoke the European English. But we connected very well, and I can understand exactly what she was actually wanting. She had been thinking about it for a few years now, because she had tried a few things, but she had never really thought of surgery. But now that she was getting jowls and neck bands, and people were actually telling her that she's looking older, she thought that she's still fit. So there's no reason for her to actually look old, because she feels fit and she wants to travel around. She wants to interact with people. Very communicative and charming personality as such. So sometimes people want to make sure that the way they feel and the way they look, it should just be on the same platform. It should not be out of sync. And I think this is exactly what she wanted as well. She said that I'm a very fit, healthy person, but I don't look the same. I look old, I look aged, I look tired. And we said, well, let's work on it.
Amici, se riuscite, se avete possibilità, volete diventare carissimi, bellissimi, venite a Max, però dal dottor Scurini, non in un altro dipartimento, perché proprio ti ringiovaniscono. Spero che rientro e vi dirò tutto a voce.